Prison officials say they stopped allowing visitors weeks ago and started widespread testing. So far, more than 3,800 inmates have tested positive for COVID-19 statewide, on top of more than 400 prison staff members.
And Paula, earlier today, Walter Smith Randolph spoke to advocates about everything behind those staggering numbers. He also learned some of the ideas they want to see help everyone within Ohio's prisons.
With more than 3,800 Ohio prisoners testing positive for the coronavirus, the ACLU is raising the alarm.
We're seeing a prison crisis and a human rights crisis.
Gary Daniels is with the ACLU. He says the crisis is now an emergency. 31 prisoners have died because of COVID-19, while 427 staff members have been infected.
The best solution at this point, and this is one we've been advocating for weeks and weeks, is for the governor and director Acton to treat this as the public health crisis that it is.
Governor Mike DeWine and his corrections director say they're doing all they can to stop the spread of the coronavirus. An infectious disease specialist from Ohio State is applauding the state's effort.
They've educated the inmates about this. They've offered them masks if they want to wear them. They're making the masks. They participate with the governor in the early release program. They do contact tracing. There's really very little else I could suggest.
But Daniels has a few suggestions, including releasing thousands of prisoners.
Our prison system has been reduced, but not nearly enough to deal with COVID-19, because what we know about COVID-19 and we know about prisons and jails and related facilities is they are totally incompatible with each other.
Daniels says the problem goes beyond the prison population. He says the staff must also be protected. Otherwise, an even bigger crisis could unfold.
What literally happens when you do not have enough staff to perform services in the prison system? Because I fear we are getting to that point. We've had the National Guard called in.
Walter Smith Randolph, Local 12 News.
And the ACLU has filed a public records request to find out when the governor first knew about the outbreaks in the prison system.